Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 167. Constructed a triangles. A triangle has 6 components, 3 sides and 3 angles. Different kinds of triangles have the different names. According to its sides, equilateral. Equilateral mean if a triangle have the 3 sides and all sides are same, then called equilateral triangle. Second triangles have 2 sides equal, one is different, and the isosceles triangles have 2 sides equal, one different. Then constructing triangle given length of 3 sides, then you can be right. Example number 14. Construct a triangle ABC with the following sides: BC is equal to A, CA is equal to B, and AB is equal to C. Steps of the construction you should write. Step 1, draw BC is equal to A. And then step 2, with the C as a center, draw an arc with the radius B. And step 3, with the B as a center, draw an arc with the radius C. So that it cuts the previous arc at A. Step 4, join A to B and C. And then we got the triangle ABC is a required triangle. Similarly, constructing a triangle given the length of 2 sides and the sizes included in angles. You can check in the example. Right, all steps of construction. Constructing a triangle given length of one side and the size of angles on that side. Example number 16. Construct triangle ABC with the following: BC and is equal to A, angle B and angle C are 2 base angles. Step of construction. Step 1, draw my angle BC is equal to A. Then step 2, using a protractor, draw my angle YBC is equal to A at point B. Step 3, using the protractors, draw my angle XCB at point C. Then the step 4, produce the arms of angle B and angle C to meet A. And triangle ABC is required triangles. Next, example number 17. When the length of sides and hypotenuse sides opposite the right angles are given. तमाम स्टूडेंट को राइट ट्राइंगल ड्रा करनी सिखाई जा चुकी है पीछे लास्ट प्रीवियस लेक्चर में, और इसी की हेल्प से आप ये ट्राइंगल ड्रा कर सकते हैं. देन वी राइट ऑल स्टेप्स ऑफ दिस triangle how to draw. Okay. When the perimeters and the ratio between the length of the sides are known and construct these angles, construct the triangles of the ratio and the length of the side 3, ratio 4, ratio and 5, and the perimeter is 12 centimeters. Step of construction. Step 1, divide perimeter 12 centimeters, ratio 3, 4 and 5 to find the length of each side. Step 2, draw AB is equal to 8 centimeters. Step 3, A as a center, draw an arc with the radius 6 centimeter. Step 4, with the B as a center, draw an arc with the radius 10 centimeter, intersecting the previous arc at C. Then step 5, join C to A and B. Then we got triangle ABC is a required triangle.